this is day 22 March 2024, and today's Leetcode question is reorder list. Here we are given with the linked list and we have to reorder it in the given format. Let us see the format by looking at an example. So this is a linked list given to us, and we have to order it such a way that first element remains at the first and the second element will be the last element of the original linked list. Then the third element will be the second element of the original linked list, and like that. We have also explained above that L0, then Ln, that is the last element, and then L1, then Ln-1, like that. So here also in the second example we can see that the first half are in the same manner, and the second half of the list, that is fourth and fifth element, are in reverse order, that is 5 and 4, which are merged with the first half array alternatively, like first element, then the last element, that is fifth, and then the second element, and second last element, and third element. So here is the code. An empty list store where we store all the elements of the linked list, all the nodes of the linked list. We have assigned the head to the temp variable and started the while loop where if temp exists, then store.append temp, that is we will add the temp value, that is the value in the temp, to the store, and temp is equals to temp.next. We will move on to the next element of the temp list. We know that the 0th element of the store list will be the first element of the original list. We know that the first element will be the same as original list, and also in the question we are given that the return type is none, that is we don't need to return anything, we just need to update the head. So the main logic, we will have to traverse half of the store list, so that the first half are in the same manner and the second half will be in the reverse manner. But here we are not using any reverse function, we are just arranging the lists and adding the other half, that is the last elements, in such a manner that it forms the required form of the output. Here the store of I, that is store of 0, is the same, and the store of 0.next, that is next element, will be the last element, that is store of -1. But if we keep it -1, then it will take only the last element, but -1 minus I, that is for 0th element it will consider -1 -0, that is -1. For first element it will consider -1 minus 1 is equals to -2, that is store of -2, that is the last second element. So that's why we have taken -1 minus I, and storing it in a linked list, and we have used the if tail.next is equals to none to remove all the cycles if cycle exists, and lastly we are updating the head is equals to new head, which is the required output. And this is my solution. You can find it on Leetcode. The time and space complexity of my code is O of n.